This is Sharon with Nailing the Trends. As you can see, my nails are pretty short these days. I was pregnant and had a baby in October, and if any of you have gone through that, you start losing your hair and all the good hormones basically start leaving you 4 or 5 months after you give birth, and that is kind of happening. So my nails are extra dry, and I've been trying to really take care of them. I'm going to show you kind of a fun take, a different way to do the French manicure on extra short nails. So I have Ciao Milano, which is kind of a metallic finish polish that is one of our French manicures. And I'm going to kind of take a negative nail art trend that is super in right now and show you how I go about doing it. I'm just going to start by cleaning off those, lotions and all those types of things. Do you see that? Can you see that? Ridiculous. So I'm getting in the car, taking Jack to school. I'm trying to remember what day of the week it was. I don't know. Probably Monday. I think it was a couple days ago. And I went to get in, and somehow I cut myself with my other hand's fingernails. How ridiculous is that? Still like, what? How does that even happen to me? Okay, so here are my French tips. But today I'm going to take these French tips and I'm going to change them around a little bit. And we're going to create some negative nail art, which is super trendy right now. Normally I would use this one on my pinky, but I want to size down just a little bit so that I stay in the lines of my fingernails since I'm going so far down. So I'm going to remove that plastic tab. I'm going to remove the silver tab. So I've got just my polish. And I'm going to take it down on the nail. About to the point where it kind of meets the circle. And I'm just going to remove that excess. And I'm just going to do that on all the nails except for my fourth fingers, which I'm going to put an accent nail on. So this would generally be my second finger, but let's see if we should size down on that one. I don't think so. Okay. Same thing applies, that if it's a little on the large side, I can always use my nail to kind of smooth that out. See, if you go too big, then you end up kind of having to take that point off. Okay, as being a consultant, we get perks, or I'm sorry, like a stylist, we get perks of these things that are twosies that come in your kit, and you can hand them out to people, and then if you run out, you can always buy more. Sometimes they offer them kind of as little fun things, so like here's some Valentine's Day patterns that came, I don't know, get them in lots and lots of different shades. There's Tinseltown and Pacific Waters. There's Florence Mosaic. Got twosies of your French tips. Lots of solids. Just kind of a perk of being a consultant is that you have those. And if you have a fun consultant, it should give you some accent nail packs. But here's a pack of Tokyo lights, and I think that it would really jazz up my hands, so I'm going to put on an accent of those as well.